Hello friends, in this video I will tell you how to import data in Origin Pro 2018 software. So we have two methods. First method is dragging and dropping data files into this worksheet, and the second method is by clicking here and you can have import options and you can select according to your choice. So first of all we will look for our data. So this is my test file. It is in the form of .txt format. So I have two columns. One column is for time and another column is for concentration. So now I am dragging this data file and dropping in this book one. So here we can easily see that our data has been imported here. So now we can plot here by selecting both the columns X and Y, and this is plotting option here. So you can plot line plot, horizontal step, vertical step and so on. You can also have some option like line plus symbol. So now I am choosing this option. So you can see here that your data means time is on the X axis and concentration is on the Y axis. So this data is plotted here. I am deleting this graph, also deleting this worksheet. Now I want to open new worksheet. Then go to the file, new project, save changes to the project, no. So it will open new book. So now another method is you can go from import option. So first option is single ASCII, second option is multiple ASCII. So if you want to import single .dat file, ASCII means ASCII data files means these are text files containing only data. So if you want to import only single file, then you should click on single ASCII button, and if you want to import multiple files, then you should select multiple ASCII. So we can see here .dat, this yield.dat data, vote.dat, vote2.dat. So this is our ASCII data files. So you can also open with Notepad. So we can see here, so these are the datas. Go to the file tab, import single ASCII and give the location to your file. So now I am selecting yield.dat file, open. So here we can see this is our X axis and these are the Y axis data. So you can also select whatever columns you want to use. So suppose if I want to plot only these two columns, then you can select scatter plot also. So this is distribution of your data. Closing this worksheet here, file, new project, no. So new workbook open now. So if I want to import multiple ASCII file, then I will select multiple ASCII file tab, and then first I have to select one add file. For second ASCII file, again you have to select that file and then add file, and if you want to select more than two, then you should also select that particular file and then add file, and then finally OK. So here we can see we have now three .dat file, vote.dat, vote2.dat, and third one is yield.dat file. So now we have three ASCII file and which were imported here. So these were three .dat ASCII file. So you can easily import your data file here, and then accordingly you can analyze or plot your data. Now I am importing CSV file. So this is my test file. This is my test file .csv format. So this contain only two columns, time versus concentration. Import comma delimited. The location of that file is desktop. Add file. OK. We have to cut both log name to here, and we should delete this here. So now I am going to plot here. So see, it is working. Now I am going to import Excel file. So this is Excel SX file. Add file here. OK. Delete that rows because it contains the text. So you can type here time versus concentration. Now we can select both the columns here, and I can plot from scatter. You can change the scale according to your choice. Select scale, tick labels, lines and ticks. If we want to put a line at top, you have to select show line and ticks. You have to click here, check the box, and then it comes here. And suppose if we want to line at the right, then select right, check the box here, and then you should apply there. Okay.